Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. This is Noble Omoniyi here again. To my faithful subscribers, welcome back. If this is your first time, try to click on the subscribe button below and also click on the notification icon to get notified when I post a new video. Today I am going to be doing a new content. Not a new content basically, because I've been translating Yoruba names and meanings on my channel prior to this time. But today I'm going to be doing something just a little bit different, which is I am going to be telling you names of God in Yoruba and their meanings. You can also say it's called ORIKI OLODUMARE and their meaning. I'm sure you all know that we Yorubas, we have hundreds of names we call God in Yoruba and their meaning. So I'm going to be letting you know some out of them, and I'll let you know their meaning as well. If you don't find any name that you call God in Yoruba that you like naturally and it's not there, you can post it in the comment section, and I'm going to do that in my next video. I'll be posting the names as well, like pictures of those names and their meaning on my community card, so you can always check my channel to screenshot your favorite name of God and you post it on your status as well. So with that, let's start with the next video, which are the names of God. So the first name that you will know, like you need to know when you want to call God in Yoruba, the first common name is either Olorun or Oluwa. Olorun means God or Lord. That's the same thing with Oluwa. Oluwa means God or Lord. Then our next name is Arugbo Ojo. Arugbo Ojo means ancient of days. Adunbarin. Adunbarin means pleasing to walk with, or he is pleasing to walk with. Adunbalo. Adunbalo also means pleasing to be associated with, or he is pleasing to be associated with. Adunkepe. I'm sure you can see one common thing about these names is Adun. So Adun means pleasing. Adunkepe means he is pleasing to be called on. ABIYAMỌ, the great mother of heaven. Abetilukara biajere, God who is all ears. Alewileshe, he who speaks and acts. Aleshelewi, he who can act and speak. Aduro gboingboin lẹ́yìn aṣòótọ́, defender of the righteous. Aduro tini lọ́jọ́ ìṣòro, he who stands by one in crisis. Afunimassiregun, one who blesses without asking for a reward or throwing it in your face. Atobiju, the Almighty. Atofarati, one you can rely on. Atogbojule, Dependable God. Atogbokanle, a trustworthy God. Atorishe, he is the one who turns a bad situation into a good one. Awamaridi, Unsearchable God. Awimayeun, one who does not go back on his words. Awogbarunmagbeje, the physician who heals hundreds of diseases for free. Or Awogbarunmagbeje, the physician who heals for free. Aladeogo, King of Glory. Baba Mimo, Holy Father. Babalaini Baba, Father of the fatherless. Alagbada Ino, the one clothed with fire. Apata Ayeraye, the rock of ages. Eleburuike, he whose care for us overflow. Olorun Erujeje, fearful he is, or the God who is to be feared. Eledumare, creator of the universe and everything within. Eleyinju Imole, the one with the eyeballs of holiness or light. Eleruni, the one who is fearful in praises. Eletigboungbaroye, the attentive one to all we say. You can also say Eletigbaroye, that means the attentive God. Elewoye, he who is clothed with royalty. Eriolola, evidence of the wealthy. Erujeje leti okupupa, fearful one by the Red Sea. Gbani gbani tansaya, a deliverer we always run to for help. Jagun jagun ode ọ̀run, the great warrior of heaven. Gbani gbani lọ́jọ́ ogunle, our defense in time of war. Gbòǹgbò ìdílé Jesse, the root of the tribe of Jesse. Ọ̀kan lánàá, the same yesterday. Ọ̀kan lónìí, same today. Ọ̀kan lọ́la, the same tomorrow. Ọ̀kan títí ayérayé, is the same forever. Ìmọ́lẹ̀ nínú òkùnkùn, the light in darkness. Akọ́dá ayé, creator of the earth. So the last name that we'll talk about is Alagbala Itura, the owner of the place of comfort. So we have come to the end of this episode of the names of God in Yoruba and their meaning, or ORIKI OLODUMARE and their meaning. If you've made it to the end of this video, thank you so much for watching. If you have names of God that you want me to talk about and you want me to translate, please drop them in the comment section below and I'm going to do that as well. Please don't forget to like this video, don't forget to share to your friends. Until I see you next time, I'm Omoniyi and bye.